Good morning, children. Are we ready for a science lesson? Great. Before starting today's lesson, I really would like to say that Bihan, Vidisha, and Gauri had done a wonderful task last week. They made a circuit, okay, and they sent their videos. Very impressive, though the circuit was a bit complex with the switches, but then they tried, and that's really great. Okay, well done, children. Okay, now let's start today's lesson. And before discussing something new, let's quickly recall our previous lesson. So it was on simple circuits. Yes, can somebody tell me what is a simple circuit? Right, it is the path, the road through which electricity moves or flows. So what is a circuit? See, in order to make a simple circuit, we need few materials. That is a battery. We need two wires. The end of each wire is connected to the battery and to the bulb. So these are two wires. See, one is this wire and the other one is this. Okay, and we need an electronic device, which is a bulb. All right, this was a very simple experiment. So what you do is, as soon as you connect the wires, the ends of the wires from the battery, like one end to the battery and the other to the bulb, or both the wires, the bulb starts glowing. Why? Because the electricity, the power from the battery starts flowing through the wires, goes into the bulb, helps it to glow and come back to the battery and keeps on moving like this. Okay, so it just keep on moving. All right, I'll show you the experiment which we did last week. So this was the experiment. That's a battery. The ends are here, so it's connected to the battery, the wires, and the electronic device. All right, now children, what we learned last week was a simple circuit where the circuit was complete. Okay, where the circuit was complete means, just a minute, I'm trying to complete the circuit so that the bulb glows. Let's see if it is glowing. Okay, yeah, it started glowing. See, it's glowing. So now we are talking of a circuit which is complete. Complete means there's no interruption. The power from the battery goes to the wire, and through the wire it goes to the bulb. It helps the bulb to glow, comes back through this wire, gets into the battery, and keeps on moving like this. Okay, so this is known as a complete circuit. All right, what is it known as? A closed circuit or a complete circuit. So what's a complete circuit? Electric current can flow and can be used by electric appliances like a light bulb. So here in a closed circuit, the electric current flows, okay, without any interruption. It just flows and the bulb glows. All right, now children, what will happen if I break this, if I break this circuit? Break this circuit means if I if I do not connect one end of it to the battery, or maybe I break it somewhere in the middle, what would happen then? Will the path be closed? Is it a complete circuit then? Could you see? Is it a complete circuit? See? No, it isn't. It is not complete. And why is it not complete? Why is it not complete? Because see, it's broken. The electricity can never flow through a broken circuit. Can never do. In order to flow, the electricity needs a complete circuit. Okay, a closed circuit. All right. So what's a broken circuit, children? Let's have a look. Electric flow stops and the object stops working. So what's a broken circuit or an open circuit? So this is an open circuit. Why is it open? Because the electricity flow has stopped here and the object is now working. Okay, it has stopped working here. All right, so in today is the lesson completely based on why simple circuit does not work. What's the reason? Many a times it does not work. Why? It doesn't work because the path is broken. It's an open circuit. Okay, and now if I connect it, if I try, see the bulb glows again. Okay, as soon as I remove it, it switches off, it stops glowing, and as soon I connect, the electricity flow, the circuit is complete and it starts glowing again. Okay, let's start and let's understand this with the help of this diagram here. Okay, see, this is a battery, wires, okay, two different wires and a light bulb. Okay, now could you see something saying switch here? Yes. What happens, children, whenever we make a circuit, a simple circuit, okay, we need a switch. And how does the switch help? The switch helps to connect or disconnect, or in other words we can say the switch helps to make a complete circle or to break or make a broken circuit. So as soon as you switch off something, okay, when you switch off, the circuit of that electronic device or that simple circuit is broken, and as you switch it off, it is broken, hence the device will stop working, it will not work. And when you switch it on, okay, this switch works as a bridge. So it comes down, connects here to the main wire, and see here it connects to the main wire and it makes a complete circuit, and the electricity starts flowing and the device starts working. Got it? So this is all about knowing why simple circuits do not work. Why? When do they not work? They do not work when the circuit is broken or it's open. Okay, if the circuit is open, it will never work. So in order for a circuit to work, the circuit needs to be complete, not broken. So as soon as I press this, it's complete and the bulb starts glowing. As soon as I remove it, the bulb stops glowing. See, this is complete, this is incomplete, complete and incomplete. Got it? All right, so this was the lesson for today.